Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How are you today? Am I your alarm in this moment? Or you have a regular alarm? Good morning, Antonia. Good morning, Isabella. Miss Mejia. Isaso, how are you? How is everyone doing today, guys? I hope.
Good morning, teacher.
Hi, teacher.
Juanita Martínez. Oh, Juanita Gutiérrez, Laura del Castillo.
Hi, teacher.
Good morning, Mafe, Mariana Mejia. How are you? Mr. Wando.
How are you?
Very good. Mr. Rodriguez, what's up, buddy? Hello, Ms. Morales. Hello, Maria Paz. Hello, Rendon. Mr. Gaber. How is everyone doing?
Hi, teacher.
Good, teacher, and you?
I'm doing
Hi,
great.
teacher.
Thank you for asking. I hope you and all your family are healthy and are safe. Are you being safe, guys?
Yes, teacher.
Yes?
Yes.
Pues haciendo lo que más se puede y ayudando.
Ah, bueno. Qué bueno que salgan de las cubillas. Are you guys, honestly, are you receiving classes under your blanket?
No.
Me, yes. No.
No?
No.
No.
So like me, everyone took a shower and are ready for today's class.
Sí y no, más o menos, a
Obvio,
veces.
teacher.
Hello.
No, siempre, siempre.
Hi, hello, Miss Gomez, you made it. Hello, Miss Guzman, Miss Mejia, Mr. Villa. Okay.
Hi.
Laura Sofia. Okay, Miss Guzman, yes, Miss Morales. Now, guys, I would like you to please write good morning, your name, and the class in the chat. Can you please do that? That way I will collect attendance. Okay. In the chat, good morning. Very good, Mr. Agudelo. But remember to write your group. Laura, good morning, Laura. Good morning, Miss Gomez. Yeah, it's following very good, Miss Gutierrez. Good morning, Miss Villa. Good morning, Mr. Villa. Good morning, María Fernanda García. Good morning, Isabela Mejía.
Teacher, lo tengo que volver a escribir.
Well, had to be complete. Good morning, Salome Soto. Good morning, Antonio Maldonado. Good morning, Isabela Morales, María Paz Echeverry, Isabela Ram, Isabela. Good morning, Mr. Peláez. Good morning, Juana Martínez. Good morning, Sebastián Rodríguez. Good morning, Valentina Herrera. Good morning, Isabel Alzati. Good morning, Mr. Jaramillo. Oh, guys. Good morning, Salome Rendón. Good morning, Laura Sofía Guerrero. Good morning, Laura del Castillo.
Hi, teacher.
Good morning, Laura. Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Gabe. Good morning, Leah. How are you, Leah?
Fine, thank you, teacher. I knew.
Fine, thank you very much. Good morning, Miss Guzman. Miss Guzman, how are your brother and sister doing?
Fine, teacher.
Yeah.
They are like my brother is here in my house and my sister is on apartado.
Oh, she's still in Chocó?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Agudelo. Good morning, Ana Sofia Gonzalez. How are you? Okay. Now, let's begin with our class. Now that everyone is here. Good morning, Maria Paula Marulanda. Good morning, Mr. Becerra. In this moment, it's 7:05. Here, I will close the attendance. So this is the file I will have. Save chat. Goodbye. This is the attendance I'm going to collect because the class began 4 minutes ago. All right, guys, these were some of the exercises you have assigned to be doing, right? And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will need some of you to be solving them on the board under the exercise, okay? Now, the candidates are going to be Nicole, you're going to be solving number 5. Salome Rendon, you're going to be solving number 6. So let me copy over here, Nicole, Salome Rendon, Salome Soto,
Teacher, I want.
Salome Rendon, Salome Soto, Mr. Becerra, Samuel Becerra, Mr. Gaber, you're going to be solving this one. Let me see over here. Mr. Pineda. Did you hear that? Mr. Pineda. Okay. Miss Maldonado. Did I call? No, didn't call Miss Maldonado. Miss Maldonado. Mr. Villa and Miss Villa. And Mr. Ladino.
Hello, teacher.
All right. Now, guys, the way we're going to be solving these exercises is you're going to tell me if it's difficult for you to write on the board. You're going to tell me what would you like me to write for you. Okay.
Teacher, how we write, like how we sacar de pen or what?
There is something called annotate. Okay. If you move your mouse up on top of the Windows taskbar, you're going to be able to find something called annotate. It's like a little pencil. Okay. If not, if you can't find it, well, you can tell me and I will be happy to copy it for you. Okay. Okay, Nicole, ready? In problems 5 to 14, factor each polynomial by removing the common monomial factor. Nicole? Nicole?
Teacher, I think that she don't have microphone.
Yeah, but she's not speaking through the chat. Ah, very good, Nicole. I like that idea. So she said, well, teacher, what you have to do is find the greatest common factor, and the greatest common factor for her is 3 times x plus 2. Good job, Nicole. Good job. Okay, Salome Rendon, please. 7x minus 14.
Teacher, your audio is.
Very good, mi Rendon. 7 times x plus 2. Plus? Now 7 times x.
Teacher, minus.
Ah, okay. Minus 2 because it's going to be 14. Minus 14, the answer over here. Okay. Miss Soto, what about this one? Very good. A times. And let me give you a hint, Miss Soto. When you want to write the square, it's this symbol, okay? And that symbol can be found on top of the number 6, right? So, x squared plus 1. Good job, Miss Soto. Mr. Becerra. A times x minus 1. Very good, Mr. Becerra. What about you, Mr. Gaber? Number 9. Mr. Gaber?
Teacher, if I know my answer, I write it, or what, or I wait.
Well, you wait or you write it on the board, whatever you want. Mr. Gaber, are you with us? Okay, let's wait to see, maybe he has some issues with the internet connection or with his device. So,
Look, teacher, in the chat.
in the chat. Yes, Mr. Gabriel, you're gonna be solving number 9, buddy. Remember, if you want to solve it on the board, solve it on the board. I just explained how. So Miss Pineda, Miss Maldonado, Mr. and Miss Villa, and Mr. Ladino, if you want to solve it on the board, solve it on the board. Mr. Gabriel, you're solving number 9, buddy. Do you want to tell me what I have to copy, or would you like me to copy it for you? X, that's Christmas. Xmas, that's Christmas, buddy. And in this moment, we're in April. Ah, you don't have any symbols, okay? So, but in English, mass is plus, buddy. Because if Xmas is Christmas, all right? Greatest common factor, he said X, and X times X squared plus X plus 1, okay? So let's ask the teacher that Susana has a bad internet, so she can't enter to the class. Well, I hope she organizes her internet at home. Mr. Pineda, number 10. So you say, oh, nice, buddy. X times X squared minus X minus 1. Good job. Miss Maldonado. Miss Maldonado, please.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, Juanita.
Why minus?
Because X times X squared is X to the third. And look at the symbol you have over here.
Yes, yes.
Ah, but at the end, it's plus. You're right, you're right.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you, Juanita. Miss Maldonado, greatest common factor, 2x. That is multiplying x, and you said minus 1. Okay? Mr. Pineda, please be aware of the symbol Juanita told you, okay? Now, guys, for the rest of you that you are at home, please check the exercises, these exercises that were already assigned, okay? Good job, Miss Villa. Give that a try. You can do it, I know. So please be checking the exercises you have at home. And if you have any questions, well, guys, this is the moment to ask them so we can have this topic clear, because we're going to be moving to a new topic the next class, right? Mr. Villa, what about number 12? 3 times x minus 1? Well, sorry, 3x. My screen is not very big and I'm standing up. 3x times x minus 1. Good job. 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times negative 1, negative 3x. Miss Villa, 3xy times x squared is 3x squared y. 3xy times negative 2, negative 6, x, y squared. 3 times 4, 12, xy. Good job, Miss Villa. Excellent.
Teacher, I have a question.
Teacher, but
Yeah, give me a second.
Teacher,
Guys.
in the
Yes. In the what? 3x times Okay, you can write it down while I continue with Mr. Ladino.
Epa.
Okay, so 3 times 3, x times x, x squared, y. So 3x squared, y. When I said this, okay, is Miss Villa, good job. You're doing an excellent work while you're trying to write with your mouse. Great, that's amazing. I believe everyone would like to have a mimeopad at home in this moment, right? Yes, Ms. Cuadrado, sorry for being late. Okay, you're here. I am going to be saving this chat, and that way I will call attendance. I will have included all the people that are late. Mr. Ladino, would you like to do number 14? David, are you ready? Are you late? Because what you have to do is, okay, same happens to you, my friend. I will be calling attendance. I will be having people that are late and people that are on time. Okay? So, Mr. Ladino, you're in the chat. Very, very good. What is the greatest common factor, my friend? Okay, so Mr. Ladino's answer is
Teacher,
12xy times 5x minus 4y plus 6x squared. This is what he wrote. So let me check. 12 times 5 is 60. X times x, x squared. Y minus, very good, 12 times 4, 48. X, y times y, y squared. 12 times 6, 72. X times x squared, x to the third power, and y. Good job, Mr. Ladino. Leah, you were saying? Leah? No? All right, guys. Any questions from these exercises?
yes, teacher. It's because my internet doesn't servir good. Because anoche de luz se fue. And I don't know what is wrong. And the page like take me out and de la nada volverme a entrar 2 times. So I don't know if there's a period that I'm here.
Well, today, no. In this moment, I'm just calling attendance and I'm checking these exercises that were assigned for the weekend. Now, if you send a message after the due date, the deadline, well, guys, I'm sorry. And if you send it after today at 7 a.m., I will not check it and you will have a 1 in your grades, okay? Because I'm already giving you the answers. So please keep that in mind, guys.
No, teacher.
Yes, Miss Leah.
I am saying that today I have problems to enter to the Zoom class, but I'm already sent my work.
Okay.
And when you say that all the people need to write that we are here, like noveno A, noveno E, and the name, I put it. But de la nada, the page take me out and I get already enter again.
Well, but it doesn't have to do with your chat, it has to do with my chat. If I close my chat, your message is going to be deleted. Mine no. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what we have here in this moment, it will be okay.
Teacher.
Guys, do you have any questions from number 5 to number 14?
No.
It's the moment to talk. And let me see here.
Yes, teacher, I have a question.
Yes, Leah.
Teacher, look, in number 11, I put the answer like 2 parentheses x squared minus x.
Number
That
what?
is not correct.
In number what?
Number 11.
In number 11, you wrote?
11.
Number 11. What did you write? No, Leah, I'm missing you. If you want, if you can hear me, send it through the chat, okay?
Teacher, I write 2 parentheses x squared minus x.
Yes, is it right or wrong? Look at my arrow.
Okay.
You forgot? Well, it's half right, because the greatest common factor is not only the numerical, the 2, or the literal, the x, the variable, right? So it's going to be 2x times x minus 1, all right? Okay, guys, let's move on.
Teacher.
Yes.
Is that Isabella Salazar is trying to enter, but Safari, like, she is having problems. So she told me that I told you.
Okay, thank you. Can you please write that in the chat so we can have a clear history of what happened? Okay, exercises 15 to exercises 22. What you have to do is factor the difference of the two squares. Okay, so we already had some volunteers before. In this moment, this is going to be Miss Mesa. Okay, this one is going to be Ana Sofia. Ana Sofia. Number 16 is going to be done by David. Miss Solarte. Isabela Guzmán. So Miss Guzmán. Isabela Mejía. Miss Mejía. Uy, horrible Mejías. Let me write this clear. Miss Mejía. Okay. And after that, Juana Martínez. And Mark.
Teacher, can I have that one? Oh, okay.
Okay. I believe I'm going to give a lot of exercises to a lot of people. So Ms. Morales, in the next spreadsheet, you will be starting, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Mesa. Okay, let me see here in the chat. Ms. Mesa. It also started to lag to me. Okay. Okay, I will give you your time. Mr. Ocampo, number 16, please. Mr. Ocampo. Mr. Ocampo. Yes, but move it, my friend, because I already assigned these exercises a long time ago. Miss Olarte, exercise 17. And Mr. Ocampo, you should have the copy of this in a piece of paper because this was the homework, my friend. Miss Olarte, exercise 17, please. From Juana Martinez, okay. Juan Martinez is saying, teacher, 5x minus 2 times 5x plus 2. What Miss Martinez did, guys, here is she said, this is 5x squared minus 2 squared. Okay? Okay, Miss Guzman, very good. You can do it, Miss Guzman. Ana Sofia. Ana Sofia, can you please unmute your device?
Hi, teacher.
Hello, Ana Sofia. So what should I do?
Is parentheses x minus 4,
Excellent.
parentheses x plus 4.
Very good, Miss Gonzalez. What she did over here was she said x squared minus 4 squared. Good job. David Ocampo. Miss Mejia, she's saying x minus 5 times x plus 5. Good job, Miss Mejia, because what you said is x squared minus 5 squared. Okay? Miss Mesa is saying 6x minus 3. I don't know. Miss Mesa, you're doing number 15. X minus 2 times x plus 2. Very good, Mr. Ocampo. Mr. Ocampo said that because it was x squared minus 2 squared. Okay, Miss Mesa, she's saying it's x plus 1 times x minus 1 because it was x squared minus 1 squared. Good job, Miss Mesa. Good job, Mr. Ocampo, Ana Sofia, Miss Mejia, and Juana Martinez. Okay. Miss Guzman, you were saying this was 3x squared minus 1 squared. So this is the answer. Great. Miss Olarte. And Mafe.
Teacher,
Yes.
I have a question. Is that, o sea, I understand and I put like they put, but it's like for clarify. No sé cómo se dice aclarar, pero bueno. It's not possible that we like put first, for example, in the 21, put first the plus and later the negative.
I will answer it with this property.
Okay.
Mafe. So Mafe is saying 6x minus 3. You're welcome, Juanita. 6x minus 3 times 6x plus 3. Why? Because it was 6x squared minus 3 squared. Any questions, guys? And Juanita, your question is very important. Honestly, a lot of people could be saying, but why? What if I have it the positive first? Would it be right or wrong? Remember, guys, the commutative property is the solution. A times B is the same as B times A. Miss Olarte, guys, do you anyone knows anything about Miss Olarte? Guys, no? Nothing from Miss Olarte. Okay, so let's look for another person that can give us the answer.
Me.
Miss Morales, you told me before.
Yes.
Morales, yes.
Okay. So wait, I write in the. Wait, I put it black. Okay, here. So we have first like 2x. We have like this, like the process is this one. Minus 1 and 2. Sorry for my horrible letter. X, 2x minus 1 and then 2x plus 1.
Excellent solution. I like the idea, guys, of you trying to use your mouse on the online screen. That way everyone can participate. It's like when we were in class and I gave everyone a marker. It's the same.
Yes.
Ms. Morales, congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
It's difficult sometimes to write with a mouse, but with practice you will become better, okay? Oh, sorry. Any questions here, guys? Questions? Okay, guys, I am writing, yes, exactly. I am writing this because as soon as I move on to my new screen, everything will be eliminated. Remember, guys, this lesson is being recorded and you can find it in the YouTube channel called Math Roads, okay? No voy a hacer propaganda como los YouTubers, but subscribe and like, okay? If you believe it's a good video where you're able to understand what the class was about, okay? So no more questions, guys. From number 15 to 22, let's move on. Let me see here in the chat. Ha ha ha, okay, teacher. Well, yes, come on, I created a channel because I have to record all the classes. Maybe for some reason, like what you were saying before, for you, Leah, you said, no, teacher, I've been having problems with the internet. Well, by checking the class in YouTube, you will be able to check your exercises and solve the doubts that appear, okay? Now, next set of exercises. In problems 23 to 32, okay, Ms. Mejia, I'm happy to have you here. Now, for exercises 23 to 30, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be factoring the perfect squares. Remember, guys, that when we talked about factoring the perfect squares, it was when we had squares whose base was exactly the same as its height. And if you find the area of this perfect square, it's going to be a plus b times a plus b. Why is it a perfect square? Because, guys, you're repeating, okay? That's why it's a perfect square.